Hello guys, welcome back. This is Forex Alpha. Hope you had an amazing trading week. This week has been awesome, though I took less trade than I should have, but it was quite okay. So now I'll be going through the video I posted. I'll be going through the Analytic Sunday I posted on Sunday. Tell you guys what we are looking at, what we're expecting, and so on and so forth. So now I'll be going through the trades I took this week. Well, this week I didn't really trade much. So Analytics Sunday episode 2. Where is it? I think I didn't upload that. I didn't upload that. Should we? Yep. So this is the video. So I'll quickly skim through the video. Hello guys, welcome back. Or drop back to 16. Okay, this is for the gold setup. It's for the gold setup. Okay, let's dive back. Now, last week I marked out these price points as our major zones. This is 1680 and 1659. I explained to you guys that it's simple. My strategy is very, very simple and easy to understand. So now, as at then, there are some price markings, there's some marked up zones I marked out here. So I told you guys that if price breaks above this zone, then we can be looking to go long. I'm looking to go long, but as you can see this week, price kept on trading below this zone. And what I was doing is very simple. I kept on shorting these trades. I kept on shorting it. So now coming to this was my first trade for the week. This was my first trade for the week. Yeah, this. So now when gold dropped, after gold dropped, I was hoping to go long here. So as you can see, let's see how that went. Okay, now I posted this 19th September. I wrote once price retraces back into 1660 price point labeled and trendline confirmation on smaller time frame, then we'll go long. Price heading to 1680. So now when I checked back this analysis, price was still trading below 1680. So if price failed to break 1680, then we'll be getting a pullback to the downside. So this is what happened later. Boom. So now we went on the buy. We went on the buy. I actually caught the first buy. So now we got to 1680, which was here. That was Monday. We took the buy from here and we went out below 1680. That was it. Went out below 1680. Then the next trade, that was a winning trade. Then the next trade was this. The same day. Now we cut the buy here, we rolled it up, exited somewhere here. Then I quickly saw that price was trading below this. Because from the analysis I posted, from the explanation on this video, I told you guys if price continues to trade below the 1680 price, we will be going short. So this was a short. Now we went short on this. Now when we went short, this is what we have. Going short on gold, price failed to break 1680. This means gold is still what? Bearish. That is the first point. Now on the second point, we have on the 1 hour time frame, you will see a pin bar candle showing sign of what? Reversal. We already know what pin bar candle is. So if you don't know what pin bar candle is, stay tuned to this channel. I'll be dropping more educational content on forex and analysis. So from there, you can be able to sharpen your own skills and be a little bit better. So now coming to the second point, still valid for entry, retraced a bit. Sell setup still valid. Like when we waited for this setup, it started pulling up a bit close to 1680. So I commented that the price is still valid. So now this was when we got into the trade. This was a very quick, sweet trade. Now we got in here. We got in here immediately. Price pulled back up. That was why I made the comment that price is retracing a bit, but the setup is still what is still valid for entry. Still valid for entry. So we added a few more positions, and from there it dropped straight to our TP. Straight to our TP. We cleared our TP out and we got out of the market. And that was it. This was the second trade of the week. And after that, the next day, the next day, after price dropped, during the Asian session, I missed out. Okay, this was the GBP. It was the third trade. This was the GBP analysis I posted. GBP is still looking bearish. I'm expecting price to drop from 1.43 down to 1.35. So this was it. I posted this GBP, GBP USD. Now this will happen later. Boom. We went straight into profit after some. It nearly took me out. Nearly, like you can see the stop loss. You can see the stop loss. The stop loss was 35 pips, but we came close around 32 pips. Nearly took us out before going our direction, and still went down. Because once this level broke, we're still looking at more downsides. More downsides. Still went straight down. So after this, the next trade was this. This was one of the sweetest ones. This gold, got in on this gold again. Now, when this was the sell we entered earlier that dropped down to this place. So we missed out this buy because this happened during the Asia London Open. I couldn't get the confirmations I was waiting for, so the market just rallied up immediately. I missed out this buy. This was 100 and something pips. So after missing out on this, I waited and waited. Then I saw this setup. Quickly, I posted it. We'll be going short on gold once I get the confirmation. Stay tuned to get updates. So a few minutes or a few moments later, I posted go short on gold. You can see a few minutes later I went on 30 pips. And now we had an FOMC news coming up. So we're kind of being skeptical about our positions. We don't want the news to wipe us out or wipe me out before going my direction. And since I I base my analysis strictly on technicals. I don't depend on fundamentals for my trades. So what I do usually if there's a news is I take partial profit, then leave whatever I can leave for the news. It can rally down further or go against me. But this is what happened before and after the news. Boom. You can see before the news started, you're already in 80 pips in profit. Like before the news, you're already in 70 pips in profit. So I posted this FOMC news coming in few hours, expecting wild moves. If FOMC news favors our trend, then we might be hitting 1650 price point. This was where I slated price to get to 1650. Now, which is beyond our current support. I can see before the news, we are already in profit of 86 pips in profit. Then the news came and the market went wild, hit 170 pips and reversed. Hit 170 pips here before reversing and going wild. But then we're already out of the market, and this was another winning trade for the week. So this week was just awesome. Like this week was very, very awesome. We had winning trades back to back. We just had trade setups that we missed. Like I didn't have any loss. Those that were following my analysis on TradingView and other platforms nobody took any loss. To just wins and missed trades. So better you miss a trade than taking a loss. Now, this was today's trade. Today, okay, I didn't trade on Thursday. I didn't trade I was very busy on Thursday, so I couldn't trade. Now, today's trade was something else. It was amazing. Now, this was GBP USD. Earlier on, I went short on this. It wasn't published. I went short from here. So on getting to this place, I was not like, okay, if this market get to this place and holds, I'll be going long. But this is what happens. This is what happened. The market, like if the supports hold, I'll be looking to go long. But it was crazy. The market broke down the support and sold massively. And sold massively. You can see it massively to the downside. So this was it on GPUSD. Now I was fully on this. Fully on this. This was a good setup for today. It was a good setup for Friday, the last day, trading day of the week. Now I posted this 22nd September. I'll be going short once I get the confirmation. I'm expecting price to drop from 1672 towards 1655, taking 1675 as our resistance. Now looking at this, I was expecting here this was our resistance. I'm expecting price to drop down to this place. Now waited, and few hours later we saw this 1680 remains our main resistance. If price continue to trade below 1680, I'll be going what? Short. Price pulled back up a bit to 1674. Our resistance at 1675 seems to be holding for now. Patiently wait for price to come to us, then we execute. Now waited this for few hours. So after the like 2 hours later, the market came to our zone. The market delivered itself to our arms, and we fired down. Here we took our entry here 1671.65 because I posted it here. Yeah, entry price is what? 1671.60. Stop loss 1676.5. Now we got into 20 pips in profit, 30 pips in profit. Then we saw market reversing. This was at this point the market started reversing due to the London Open and Frankfurt session. So now this pulled back our price above our entry point, but we still held. So those following me up on TradingView, I told them to stay tuned for update on gold for London session. I will update you all once the setup is still valid for entry. Now waited a few minutes, then I saw on the 1 hour time frame, I saw a pin bar. As at then the candle has not closed, but I was seeing the pin bar forming. So I was not like, wow, this is a sign that this market is still going to drop. So I updated the comments. Pin back candle formed on the 1 hour time frame, 15 minutes time frame still looking bearish back. So we got in. The setup is still what? Valid for London session. The setup is still what? Valid for London session. And we went in. And boom, 175 pips. After which the market went wild. It went beyond an extra 100 and something. So if you are still on this trade, you have made over 320 pips from this trade. 220 pips. At this point, I already took my profit and left whatever I could. So this week was really, really awesome. Or thanks to God for, you know, bringing the opportunities to us. Now, stay tuned for Sunday Analytic Sunday episode 3. It's going to be wild. Now, if you want to actually change your trading game, there is no need for you to like place 20 trades or 100 trades in a week, and at the end of the week you're not even profitable. It's better you take few trades for the week, 2 3 4 5, a handful of them, and you know what you're doing. So you actually wait for price to get to your zones. Once they get there, you execute and watch it play out. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will be seeing you guys next 2 days. That is on Sunday. I will see you guys on Analytics Sunday episode 3. Please turn on post notification and please share this video to anybody you know that can benefit from it. And also turn on post notification. So whenever I post an analysis or setups, you can be informed. You can also follow me on TradingView. This is my handle on TradingView, Forex Alpha 7 on TradingView. You can follow me on Twitter and other platforms. Peace out.